The HTC Wildfire is one of our friendliest smartphones. It's a phone full of HTC ideas. Ideas like FriendStream, which makes it easier than ever to share updates, photos, and links with friends, and which puts you at the very center of your circle of friends. But before we dive deep into FriendStream and all the other new additions to the HTC Wildfire, let's take a quick tour. The HTC Wildfire is one of our most compact smartphones. We've given it curved, softer edges and made it smooth to touch as well as super tough. There's an FM radio built in. You can also load it up with lots of MP3 music files. And thanks to the standard audio jack, you can listen to them using your own headphones. We've added a 5-megapixel video camera on the back. And so you can browse through your photos once you've taken them, we've given the HTC Wildfire a big screen. It's an advanced touchscreen too. If you pinch your home screen, your home panels turn into mini thumbnails. You can see them all at a glance, and when you've found the one you want, just tap. We've added one of our newest pieces of innovation to the HTC Wildfire. Now when someone calls, your phone automatically turns your ringtone down the moment you lift it up. And when you don't want to be interrupted, just flip your phone over to make it go silent. FriendStream lets you keep up with who you want when you want. It works like this. All your friends' posts, messages, tweets, and updates pop up on the same screen. They update automatically, so there's no need to click anything. They update instantly too. You can slide through updates, photos, and shared links and keep completely up to speed. You can also post an update on all your own profiles in one go. With the HTC Wildfire, you can pick from thousands of apps at Android Market, but we've also included application sharing. It's a super fast way to recommend apps to your friends. Say a friend of yours was going on a long trip tomorrow. If you found the perfect game to help them kill some time, you could send it straight to them. You could email or text the link to it. You could even post it to your FriendStream. That way, you could share apps with all your friends at the same time. When someone calls you, their name and face flash up on screen. But we thought, why stop at names and faces? So we've designed a way for you to get more information about your friends when they call, like their birthday and Facebook status. Now, there's no need to remember someone's big day. Your phone will do it for you. The simple stuff is better on the HTC Wildfire too, like getting in touch with your friends. With our new People widget, you can sort your contacts into groups and choose the best way to get in touch. So calling, emailing, or texting is just a tap away. Browsing's better too. We've added text auto reflow. It means when you zoom into a web page, the text automatically adjusts to fit properly onto your screen. You can access Wikipedia and Google Translate with a couple of taps. And with the HTC Wildfire Flash enabled, you can now view more sites on your mobile than ever before. Wildfire comes with our brand new news app too. Just pick the news sites you want to read and you'll get customized news pinged straight to your phone whenever and wherever you want it. Thanks to HTC Sense, making your phone your own has never been easier. So what can you do? Well, for a start, your home screen contains 7 separate panels. You can pick and choose what you'd like on each of them. So if that was your photo album, just select it. Then whenever you want to view your photos, just tap once and you're in. You can arrange everything just how you want it. And with more widgets available than ever before, you'll definitely find all the shortcuts you'll need. So there you have it, the HTC Wildfire, a phone packed full of little HTC ideas. A phone created for people who love to share. A phone that brings your friends to you.